good morning YR. I just want to say that I miss you and I hope that you're all doing well and staying safe. This morning what we're going to do is we're going to do some maths together. So before we went on Easter break, we were doing 2D shapes. So we're going to quickly go through them. So what is this shape? Good job, it's a triangle. And what about this shape? Perfect, a rectangle. And this one? A circle. And lastly, a square. X. So I have our lovely bucket here, and there's lots of different things in here, and I'm going to show you what they are. Today we are learning what is called 3D shapes. So this whole bucket is full of 3D shapes, and we are going to look at them all together and learn a little bit about them, what their name, and some of their characteristics. All right? So the first one we have here, what's it going to be, looks like this. Looks like this. Does anybody think that they know what this is called? Have a guess. And if you don't, that's all right. This is called a cube. So this is a 3D solid shape, and you can see that I can hold it, and it looks similar to this flat 2D shape of a square, but there's a lot more different squares in here, all right? So the cube has 6, show me 6 fingers, 6 faces, which is this part here, all right? So we're gonna count together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, all right? So 6 faces for a cube, and they are flat face. There's also, on this cube, there are 12 edges. Now can you show me 12 fingers? No, because we only have 10. All right, but you can show me like this maybe, or that's backwards. I don't know, you figure it out. Okay, so we are going to count together. The edges bring all of the faces together. All right, so right here is an edge. All right, so we will count how many edges we have. So we're going for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we have here all of these, what are called vertices or corners. And there are, let's count how many we have here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Can you show me 8 fingers? Excellent. So this is called a cube. Perfect. I'll set that over here. Let's see what we have next in here. We have this, a sponge, but it is also a 3D shape. Does anybody know what this one is called? Try and have a little bit of a guess. It is called a cuboid. So it looks similar to our, which shape does this look similar to in our 2D shapes? It looks similar to our 2D flat. All right, so this cuboid, similar to the cube, has 6 faces. So we'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it has 6 faces. It also has 12 edges. So that's this part here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, 12 edges, and those edges hold the faces together. And then we have the vertices. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, this and this, they look different. What is the biggest difference that you can see? If you're not sure, let's think about our 2D square and our 2D rectangle. Square has 4 sides that are all the same length. Good. And a rectangle has 2 sides that are the same and 2 sides of different lengths. So if we look at on our cuboid, all of the lengths are not the same. Whereas in the cube, all the lengths are the same. All right? Excellent. All right, what do we have next? In here, we have a little ball. But this is not just a ball. It is called a 3D sphere. All right? And what 2D shape does this sort of kind of remind you of? A circle. I love it. All right, so this, as you can see, you can roll and you can play with the ball before. It does have one curved face, curved like that. And it has no edges, and no vertices or points. It's just one roly ball. And this is called a sphere. Good. All right, let's see what else we have in here. All right, this is another shape we have here. Take a good look at it. Slightly different than the other ones, but what do we see here on the bottom? This looks like a 2, 3, 4. It's very similar to our square. So this is called a squared based pyramid. Pyramid because it has a little point here at the top and a flat base. So the square based pyramid has, let's see, this is a face. We'll count how many faces it has together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Can you show me 5 fingers? Perfect. So it has 5 faces, and it has, let's see the edges. We will count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. 8 edges. And let's see how many corners or vertices this shape has. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is called a perfect square-based pyramid. All right, we're almost there. Let's see what else we have in here. What? This is just toilet roll, but it's also a 3D shape. Have a little guess or think of maybe what you think this shape is. This is called a cylinder, and so it's not just toilet roll, it's also a 3D shape. So it has 2 circular faces, and then it has 2 curved edges. 1 and 2. And similar to our sphere, you can also roll it. All right, so this is a cylinder. Great. All right, I think there's one more thing in here. Just give me 1 sec. Ready? It's gonna be a secret. Ta-da! Going to a party. He's got a little party hat on. But this party hat is also a 3D shape. It is called a cone. Very much similar to, if I flip it upside down, an ice cream cone that you would eat, yum yum. But this one that we're gonna look at right now is a party hat. So it has one vertex here at the top, and it has one circular face on the bottom if this was closed, and it has one edge right around here, and similar to the sphere and the cylinder, you can also roll it on its face. All right, this is a cone. So to recap, we have a cube and a cuboid, and then we have a sphere, then we had a squared based pyramid, and then we had not just any toilet roll, it's a cylinder, excellent job, and then we had a cone, excellent job. So those are our 3D shapes that we're learning about this week. Very exciting. You do have some nice maths coloring to do. What I'd like you to do is have a quick look around your house, same way I did. Although I did have a difficult time finding a squared base pyramid in my house since I don't have as many cool toys as I'm sure you do. So maybe look around and see if you have any square base pyramids in your home. But look around your house, see what kinds of different 3D shapes you can find, and maybe take a picture of them or draw them, and then have your mom and dad send them to me so I can see what you found. All right? I miss you. Hope you're doing well. That's it.